Next one, 9.13, page number 327. How will you convert benzene into para-nitrobromo-benzene, meta-nitrochlorobenzene, para-nitrotoluene, acetophenone. So I will write first one, para-nitrobenzene. So from benzene to para-nitrobenzene. So the solution is, first we will take benzene. So it is benzene. We will react with bromine in the presence of anhydrous FeBr3. Anhydrous FeBr3. Then we will get bromobenzene. Then we will get bromobenzene. So bromobenzene. Then we will react with reaction mixer. So nitration mixer HNO3 plus H2SO4. So concentrate HNO3 and H2SO4. So HNO3 is divided into OH into NO2. Divided into OH and NO2. The nitro group is substituted in the ortho position and para position. So OP directing group. So Br is halogen is OP directing, ortho para directing group. So nitro group is attached into ortho and para. So the answer is next one, Br NO2 plus Br para plus. So its name is ortho nitrobromo-benzene. Ortho nitrobromo-benzene. Next one, so it one para-nitrobromo-benzene. So it is the minor, it is the major, it is the 5%, it is the 95%. So on dividing FD means fractional distillation, we will separate ortho para compounds. On doing para on FD, fractional distillation, we will separate it. So para-nitrobromo-benzene. So it is the answer. Please note down and I will continue. So next one, so para-nitrobromo-benzene completed. Second one, meta-nitrochlorobenzene. Meta-nitrochlorobenzene. See the solution, meta-nitrochlorobenzene. It is the benzene. So it is reaction with the nitration mixer. Nitration mixer means HNO3 plus H2SO4. So HNO3 plus H2SO4. HNO3 is written as OH into NO2. So then nitrobenzene is formed. Then the product is nitrobenzene. So its name is nitrobenzene. So when nitrobenzene is reaction, so chlorination Cl2 in the presence of anhydrous AlCl, it is called chlorination. But NO2 is meta-directing. Halogen is OP directing, ortho para directing. NO2 is meta-directing. The chlorine is enter into the meta place. So the answer is benzene ring NO2. So meta plus chlorine. So its name is meta-nitrochlorobenzene. Meta-nitrochlorobenzene, second one. So please write, I will continue. Next, so para-nitrobromo-benzene completed, meta-nitrochlorobenzene completed. Third one, para-nitrotoluene. Here answer is, first take benzene. So it is the benzene. So reaction with the methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous FeCl3, it is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So the methyl is substituted so in this benzene. So it is called methylbenzene or toluene. So it is called methylbenzene. Methylbenzene, which is called toluene. It is also called toluene. So the methyl group is OP directing. So OP directing, ortho and para directing. So we will reaction with the nitration mixture HNO3 plus H2SO4. Then HNO3 is divided into OHNO2. The NO2 group is entered into the ortho place and the para place. So ortho place and the para place. Then the answer is CH3NO2 plus CH3NO2. It is orthonitrotoluene. It is para-nitrotoluene. So it is major is para, minor is ortho because of repulsion. Here repulsion, that's why it is 5%, 95%. So it is separated by FD. FD means fractional distillation. So on separation with the fractional distillation, we will get CH3NO2. So which is called para-nitrobenzene. Para-nitrotoluene. So para-nitrotoluene. So please write. I will give last answer.